Hi everyone! Manungang Masubo Chosan! Good morning! I just want to share my ganap yesterday at Kosh Teletong Avenue. This place is a mixture of Western and Asian dishes. For me lang, this is a perfect place for me time. Look at the ambience guys, sobrang komportable. And yung mga pinapatugtog nilang music guys, sobrang ganda din. Nag-order lang naman ako ng mocha and crispy garlic fries. As you can see guys, 3 yung sauce, overload pa. Nagstay nga ako dito guys for an hour dahil sobrang init sa labas. Unlike sa ibang place, kapag magstay ka ng more than 1 hour, may charges yun. Kung mapapansin nyo nga guys, yung mga katabi ko dito is partner-partner sila. Ako lang yung wala. Tinanong ako ng waitress, do you have reservation? May kasama ka ba? Siguro dahil sa suot ko. Bigla ko ang naalala si Mother, sana ikaw yung kasama ko ditong magkapi-kapi ma. Shout out sa iyo dyan ma. Pagkatapos ko nga dito guys, nag-direct na ako sa church para umattend ng PM service. Sobrang ganda ng topic namin. It's about when the brook dried up, what you gonna do? Kapag natuyot na ang batisa, the dry brook is a symbol of time we experience spiritual drought. Minsan sa life natin may mga prayers tayo that are not being answered and yung mga efforts natin hindi namumunga at feeling natin we are alone in our struggles. It happened most of the time. Elijah, a man of faith and prayer, remind us na huwag kang panghinaan ng loob anuman ang mga pinagdadaanan mo sa ngayon. Sabi nga ni Lord, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe it that you have received it and it will be yours. Sobrang clear nun guys, so yun yung panghawakan natin all the time. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!